Hello everyone, and welcome to our presentation on the extinction of microorganisms, plants, and animals. Before we start, what are microorganisms? Microorganisms are essential to life on Earth, playing crucial roles in ecosystem and human health. However, many of these tiny organisms are facing extinction. Microorganisms include bacteria, fungi, viruses, and protozoa. They contribute to processes like nutrient cycling, pollution degradation, and aiding digestions in human and animals. Unfortunately, some species are disappearing.
Historically, we have seen significant declines in microbial diversity. For instance, the introduction of antibiotics in the 20th century not only helped combat disease, but also negatively affected microbial communities by eliminating beneficial bacteria.
Several factors contribute to the extinction of microorganisms: habitat loss due to climate change, pollution, and overuse of antibiotics, which can lead to antibiotic resistance and the death of sensitive microbial strains.
The extinction of microorganisms can disrupt food webs and nutrient cycles. For example, the loss of a specific bacteria can affect plant growth and soil health, leading to wider ecological imbalances that can impact larger species, including humans. A recent study highlighted declining population of soil microorganisms due to agricultural practices. This decline threatens not only crop yields, but also to the entire ecosystem health.
Efforts to conserve microbial diversity include supporting sustainable agriculture, reducing chemical use, and restoring natural habitats. Increased awareness about the importance of microorganisms is crucial.
While microorganisms may be small, their loss has significant repercussions. Protecting microbial diversity is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems and human health.
Let's proceed to the extinction of plants. Plants not only provide oxygen and food, but also maintain the ecological balance. Sadly, many plant species are facing extinction today.
Plant extinction refers to the disappearance of plant species from Earth. This phenomenon can be caused by various factors, including habitat destruction, climate change, and invasive species that compete with the native plants.
Plants have been disappearing from the earth for centuries. Historically, the Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of large-scale deforestation and habitat destruction, significantly impacting plant biodiversity.
Several factors contribute to the extinction of plants. Deforestation for agriculture and urbanization. Climate change, altering habitats. Pollution, affecting plants' health. Invasive species, which can outcompete native plants.
The extinction of plant species can severely impact the ecosystem. Plants are foundational in food webs, and their loss can lead to the decline of herbivores and subsequently predators, disrupting the entire ecosystem's balance.
A notable example is the Franklininia alatamaha, or Franklin tree, discovered in Georgia, USA. It was declared extinct in the 80s due to habitat destruction. This tree serves as a reminder of how quickly plant species can vanish.
Conservation efforts are crucial in preventing plant extinction. This includes creating protected areas, restoring habitats, and promoting sustainable practices in agriculture and forestry. Programs like reforestation are also vital.
We can all contribute to plant conservation by supporting natural service, reducing waste and pollution, advocating for sustainable practices in our communities. Every action counts.
Plants are vital to Earth's ecosystems, and their extinction poses severe consequences. Together, we can work towards preserving plant diversity for future generations. And now we are gonna explore the animal extinctions, highlighting the significant events in species lost throughout history. Let's explore our changing planet and understand the impacts of both natural and human activities on wildlife.
Dodo, which became extinct in the late 17th century, around 1681. This flightless bird is native to Mauritius. It served as a crucial example of how human activities can lead to extinction. Overhunting and introduction of invasive species by sailors led to its rapid decline. Visuals on this slide show illustrations of the dodo and the lush island habitat it once roamed. Despite its extinction, the dodo remains a symbol of the impact of human expansion on biodiversity.
Next, we have the passenger pigeon, which once darkened the skies with flocks numbering in the billions. By the early 20th century, excessive hunting and habitat loss led to its extinction in 1914. The last known individual, named Martha, lived in captivity in the Cincinnati Zoo. This slide features historical images and a map displaying the extensive range of the passenger pigeon. Each extensive serves as the powerful reminder of the consequence of overexploitation.
The Tasmanian tiger or thylacine was declared extinct in 1936, native to Tasmania, Australia and New Guinea. Face extinction due to habitat destruction, hunting and competition with introduced species such as dogs. Our visual here includes photographs of the last known thylacine in captivity, along with maps illustrating its historical range. Conservation efforts have been extensive, and despite its extinction, it remains an icon for wildlife preservation.
Next up is the great owl, flightless bird that were once abundant in the North Atlantic. By the mid-19th century, overhunting for feather and the egg trade led to their extinction, with the last known individual by disappearing by 1844. This slide provides image and illustration of the great owl in its habitat and highlights how human greed can drive a species to extinction.
A gold toad, found in Costa Rica, was last seen in 1989 and is considered extinct. Causes include climate change, habitat loss, and disease. Its disappearance is part of the troubling trend, as
many amphibians are facing similar fates. Images of the vibrant golden tod and the large Monteverde cloud forest are featured here. This extinction emphasizes the fragility of ecosystems amid climate change.
Our seventh example is the Pinta Island tortoise, with the last known individual, Lonesome George, passing away in 2012. This tortoise fell victim to invasive species and habitat loss driven by human activity. This slide showcases photographs of Lonesome George and the Galapagos Islands, reminding us of the importance of conservation efforts in preventing future extinctions.
We've traversed through various instances of animal extinctions, which all serve as cautionary tales against negligence towards our environment.
It's crucial that we learn from these events. We have the power to influence wildlife preservation and need to advocate for sustainable practices. Thank you for your attention. We hope this presentation inspire you to think critically about how our actions impact the world's diversity. Let's work together to protect what remains.